So
It's just a slip. You slide the collar up, right?
yeah,
It pops out like a AC fitting on a car.
how much gas then?
Oh, it's pretty cool, I think. Yeah, I just filled it up like a few weeks ago.
I just don't want to do the bike go out.
What am I pulling on here? The wiring harness. It's got crotch.
We got everything right?
Yep.
All right, this is heavy.
Here's another key. Oh, I have 3 of them.
Oh, must have did that. There. All right.
There you go.
So they don't stay in there. As I did that like 4 times today already. Okay, so you know how this works. If you ever have to do this, there's a button right underneath there. You press up on the button, turn this counterclockwise, and then you got to pull up straight. There's a spring you got to grab, and it's there. And don't change anything. This is already loose because I've already been in here and doing this. These only go on one way. There's a little surface right there that matches with them because that's what locks it.
Gotcha. And just threads on.
Yep. And then these bar things are gonna fall out. Oh, we gotta pull this up too. I always forget about that. Old and cracking. Yeah, I think that might have been cracked or before we did that. Oh, yeah, I wasn't even on that. Huh. All right.
What did you think about the head on that?
Okay, so we need to unplug. There went the bar thing. This is on this side. Boy, this is corroded really bad.
Yeah, it is. I've got some dielectric grease.
Yeah, we'll have to get that cleaned up before we come back on. Fun times.
Yep.
Now we're ready.
Ready
Now-
to rock?
Nope, we gotta, that's our next step. So start doing the fork. We gotta take these 2 off.
You don't take the fender off.
Oh yeah, we need to take front wheel and fender off. But we can break that, we can break these loose now.
Okay.
And then we don't have, the 5/8 hold them there. And there's also another screw up there.
That's the 1 3/8 up there.
That's the 1 3/8. And I'll start working on the front wheel. We have to take the front brake off on you got a 10 point, your sockets there, you got a 10 point. Okay. Try and get the balance in there. Okay. Okay, 5/8 is our next one.
Socket.
Yeah.
Here's this bolt back here, Tony.
Yep.
You want a 3/8 drive?
We are gonna go 5/8. I mean, 3/8 drive will be good, I think.
Deep.
No, it can be shallow. Here, just a second here.
12-point arm.
No, we won't do a 12-point. I'm going to do this in case we need to use the breaker bar. I'm going to try and get it off here real quick. Okay, I got it. We got to hang on to this fork leg a little bit. This one. Okay, give it a little twist and it should drop down. I'm going to tell you when to stop. Keep coming, keep coming. Okay, turn it 100 or 90 degrees towards me.
That way.
Yep, just keep coming. Right there. Okay.
So you don't actually have to take them out?
Oh no, we gotta take them out. You just got one more step we gotta do. That's tight. Okay. Okay, we got that one loose. They just say it's easier if we do that. Okay. Okay, pull her out.
Try to keep it from turning.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Lock it well. The handle.
Oh, the handlebars. I got the handlebars in my hand.
Okay.
We'll pull it this way. Oh, that thing over there is doing it, huh?
That wire.
All right.
Look at that.
Okay. Okay. That's why I make sure it's loose. We got to go this way. We need that oil thing over here.
Catch me.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, it's all right. It's an old rag. Doesn't matter.
I know. I did the same thing. I broke one loose and I did that
Yeah.
little thing on me.
It's all right.
See right where it ran out?
Yep. Let me.